Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get to our company developing news. I'm BTS Sivakumar. These are the headlines. Our mechanical team was appreciated by our client for on-time replacement of GSU Shiv Pulli at APSEC. Our E&D team got appreciation from the client for recondition of lift SUCM at KPPL site. Our C&D team replaced the STRC 1 and 2 boom lift and bypass gate fields JBs on time at the RWPL site. Let's see the news details.
Our mechanical team got appreciation from client for successfully replacing the GSU Shiv Pulli at APSEC site. We all know well that our organization used to find the faults in Priya through PM and CBM and fulfill the requirement of clients. Accordingly, in our APSEC site, GSU plays an important role in unloading the coal from ships. During the CBM, our team had found a huge gap on group ship unloader GSU-1 open or close rope or HL Shiv Pulli groove. Then our team had explained to client that this type of huge gap will reduce a lifetime of rope and got approval to replace the same along with spares. Timetable for this job war chat was prepared and submitted to client and got the permit clearance to execute the work. This pulley was with 1200 kg weight and it is located at an altitude of 40 meters above ground level. Before this, the replacement job was completed within 22 hours. Hence, our mechanical team tried to complete this job within a very short period of time and completed the preparations so the replacement was made with the guidance of our higher officials. After that, the Shiv pulley was replaced within 17 hours following all safety procedures with proper planning. APSEC client expressed his appreciation to our team for completing this task efficiently. Then, our site higher officials also highly appreciated our mechanical team for this excellent job. Our E&I team had brought the SUL engineers elevators into functions and got appreciation from client at Karaikal site. SUL machinery plays an important role in importing coal by ship worldwide. The SUL machines that operate in this way are personalized as per our company's requirement by setting CBM checklist and maintaining with many modifications to ensure the reliability. In that respect, in our Karaikal side, the elevators of SUL engines were not installed properly. Hence, to operate and maintain the SUL machines further in case of any repair, the stackers had to be used for repairing, which took more wastage of time and fine may be levied for the delay on importing the coal. Realizing this, our E&I team had investigated the elevators of SUL engines and list the actions to be taken and then duly notify the same to client. After obtaining approval and spare parts, all the work was carried out with the help of the mechanical team on the elevators of the machines that was not installed and then it was installed and put into operation. As a result, we have reduced the time which takes to operate and maintain the engine during shipment and repair it in the event of further repairs as well as delays in importing coal and avoiding unnecessary penalties. Mr. Arivaragan, Electrical GM and Mr. Uday Kumar, Manager of MS Karaikal, conveyed their appreciation through WhatsApp for performing the task with special and timely proper care. Further, our resident manager, Mr. Deepak Kumar, also conveyed his appreciation to our team. Our C&I team had replaced the STRC 1-2 boom lift and bypass gate field JB on right time at JSW EBL site. In our JSW EBL site, for a long time, STRC 1-2 boom lift and bypass gate field junction boxes top wall latch was broken and hence dust was accumulated more on junction boxes, that is increasing the risk of fire easily. Our C&I team planned to fix this and interacted with client about the same and got approval too. After obtaining the approval, they removed the old junction boxes at the specified time and fixed the new junction boxes. Thus, the ever-present danger was avoided. Knowing its magnificence, our resident manager, Mr. Prem Kumar, greatly appreciated our team.
These are the developing news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.